Hey Alan, heads up, tornado warning in effect right now. Right now, a tornado warning is in effect for Allen, Texas. Seek shelter immediately. Head to a basement or an interior room without windows on the lowest floor. Avoid mobile homes and vehicles. Protect yourself with a mattress or heavy blankets. Stay tuned to local news and weather updates. Remember, tornadoes can strike without warning, so don't wait. If you're outside, find a low-lying area like a ditch, but beware of flooding. Alan, your safety is our top priority. Share this message with friends and family. Stay safe and stay alert. End of message.